setting up your newsletter platform. So this video will show you how to create a nice looking blog for your online course. So like I said, having a blog is very, very important for your business, most especially if you're selling online course, so that you can be able to publish articles on it and you can be able to direct your subscribers into your newsletter platform to read what you have to write for them, and also from there direct them over to your online course page for them to buy into it. So I'll be showing you how to set up this. So right now we've already installed a blog. So we've already installed our WordPress tool on our site, which I showed you in the previous video, and also in this video too. I also, aside from creating your newsletter platform, I'll also be showing you how to set up your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and your disclaimer pages on your website, because these are also very, very important pages that you need to put on your site. So let's quickly walk through that so that I can show you how all those is being done. All right, so here we are back here on our WordPress dashboard. So these are WordPress dashboard. So the first thing we want to do is, now for you to make your site more beautiful than this, you need to install what is called a theme. So a theme is simply a design that makes your site to be much more beautiful, and also gives you much more additional features that helps you get a lot of things done. So there are free themes and there are paid themes, and I'll be recommending a couple of them. Now, the first one that I'll be recommending is called Flexibility. I think it's Flexibility theme or Flexible theme. Let's check that. Okay, Flexibility 3 theme. Yeah, so Flexibility theme. All right, so I think, yeah, it's free. So what you just simply come here under here. The first thing you do is we're going to install our theme. So we'll come here to Appearance, Themes, and we're going to search WordPress.org themes. So let's first of all go straight to the page. Okay, so let's first of all come here to Flexibility. Okay, I think I didn't spell that right. Nah, this is not what I'm looking for. Okay, let me search it out. So Flexibility thing download. That should still be available. Okay. Okay, let me come and check this out. Now, the other one that we'll be looking at is called Sparkle. So it's just simply the ones that makes you more interested in using. Sparkling. Yeah, so this is also another one that you can use. Still waiting to load up. All right, so these are another one that you can install. So I'm going to install this. Then activate. So you're going to check out that is. So right here, the free store thing. Okay, for live coaches. Okay, so you can also download and upload. So let's come here and see what happens. Let's download. Yeah, so I'm currently downloading it now. So That's what I'm going to install. So here's the first one. Now this has already been activated. So let me just show it to you so that you can see how you can look at how the site is now. Now, once I come here and I click on, since I've activated it, you see a new design. So you can see this new design here. You can see that the design has changed. You can see that it has changed. Now I'm going to do another installation for another theme. That is the one I downloaded, which is the flexibility theme that is here. So for me to upload it, I'll simply come to upload right here on this page. I'll click on upload. Upload theme, then the file. I will simply choose the file. Come to my desktop, download, file, compress. Yeah, flexibility. Yep, then install. So it's currently installing. So you can use any of these two for your newsletter platform where you can be writing articles and publishing them up, and everything goes on easy from there. And I'll tell you why. I'll also be telling you why you can also, why you should also add this to your what's it called, to your online course business that you're working on. So it's still loading up. Only on 54%. Let me just pause. Okay, all right. So it's already installed, and here you can see it's showing unpacking the package, installing the theme installed successfully. Then I'll click on activate. So once I click on activate, I'll also override these previous ones that's there so that you can be able to see it. So this is flexibility. So I'll come right here to visit site, and right here it shows. So here is your flexibility site. So all this shows, so you can easily edit them and take away a lot of things that you don't want away from there. So you can either use this or this. So let's work in setting up, in doing this up and making it look very good, right? So now once you're going to do here is we're going to come right here to flexibility 3 theme options. So right inside there, you will see a lot of options here that you'll be working with to change. So quick change updates. What color do you want to use? So theme color. So the color here is what? Red. So this is the base color. So you can change it to whatever you want to. So let's say we want to use blue. We're changing to blue. What else? Light selector, dark, medium. So whichever one you want to use. Let's say light. Theme changer. Single sidebar. So let's say single sidebar. So change layout. So we've changed the layout. Single sidebar. The color, let's change it to blue. So what you just have to do is just to be coming through each of these sections and working through it. So if I come here and refresh this page now, let's see what happens. Okay, still working. Lightness, let's just say light. All right, so let's come right to log with control. So right here, left subheader, no. So background and border. So block background color. What color do you want to use? So you can look at the colors that you want to do and just play around it. The font, what font do you want to use? I'll leave it. Now under the header is so this is the header. This page, just walk through it. I think I will still leave this up for now, and okay. Navigations. Okay, so under the top feature, you want to come here, this display optional feature, you want to turn it to no. And once you turn it to no, what you're doing is you're going to cancel everything that it was at the top here, and you click on save changes. So once that is done, you also come right to footer. So your footer is okay too. So let's check out the others. Okay, so I think all these ones too are okay. So these are just things that you just doing, just going through it, and as you're going through it, you just be editing it, to be looking at it on your site, that everything is in line with what you want to do, right? So let's continue with that, so I can tell you the other things you need to change. All right, so under the footer, you also come right here, use footer feature section. You don't want that, so you can put that as no, and save changes. So let's come here and check it out, refresh. So you can see everything below here, it's already gone. So here we have hello. So these are articles we go in, and these are our sidebars will come in. So from here, we can now start to create our menu. So our menu will just be, what are the options you want to create that people can click on at the top to make them clickable here. So what are the pages we need to create down? So like I said there are pages that we need to create. So let's click on add new page. All right, yeah. So what we want to do is I'll just create all those pages down. So right here, I'll put in my privacy policy. I'll click on page so that we can get that done. What else? Terms and conditions. New page. Disclaimer. Publish. New page. Terms and conditions. You need to have all those things on your site. Page. So these are the important pages. So any other pages that you have might now be, let's say you want to have your home, your about us page, your contact us page. So you just simply come here to and come to page and create your about us. So let's say about me, publish. So under here is where you'll be typing all your content on. which you can also include your pictures there. Then come to page, then contact us. So contact me, you can have your contact me page. So your contact me page, you can put your phone number there, or you put a form right in there. Okay, so which other one? Let's say you can have a general one that just says articles or newsletter. So you can have newsletter. Now under here, I won't have newsletter. Now, so that you can be able to section every articles that you write into a particular category. So what you create is you create a category. So for you to create a category, you come under post, and once you come under post, you come to category. Now under here, you now type in newsletter. So what you're simply doing is you want to make sure that every article you submit here, after you've launched your online course, after creating all those important pages that you need. So if you have an article you want to write, you can publish on your blog. And so once published on your blog, you put it under the section of what? Newsletter. So that's what you're simply doing right here. So once you're done with that, let's just leave it in here. Just practice around it. So the next thing we'll do is we'll come right to appearance. And under appearance, we'll come to menus. And right inside menu, you want to create your menu box. So I'll call this primary. That's what I always do, create my menu. So now that I've created my menu, I'll simply move the ones I want to be at the primary section of this site. So I want my contact me, I want my about us, I want say privacy policy, and I'll click on add to menu. So you can see that they've all come here. Then I will tick display location. I want it to be at the primary menu. And I'll also come here to category and click on view all. And I want my newsletter to be added. So I can draw my newsletter up here, then contact me here, then about me, contact me, privacy. Then I can leave these 3 pages here at the top of my page, and I'll click on save. So once I click on save and I edit this page here, you will see here that you have newsletter, about me, contact me, privacy policy. Then another thing you can do right here is you can come to custom link and have let's see if this one adds that. Okay, so you can have your home page. So you can say home, and under your home you have what's it called? That'll be the name. So you can have your home page and put it up. So you have your home page, newsletter, about me, contact us, privacy policy, save to menu. So you already have that here. So once you come right in here, so you can see home, newsletter, about me, contact me, privacy policy. So that is all done there. And you can see that your blog, your site is now looking good. So the other thing you want to do is, let's come right to widgets. I'm just showing you how to walk through your blog so that you can be able to work and beautify it more. Now under the search, I'm going to delete it. I don't want search. I can leave recent posts, recent comments. Under archive, I can delete it. Then categories, I can delete it. Methods, I can delete that. So we only have 2 here. So once I refresh this, you will see all of these things go away. So I'll just refresh so you can see. Okay, we still have archive on here. So what I'll do is come right here Where is archive? Where is it showing from? Okay, so I'll check. Okay, I'll leave that here. So we have recent posts, recent documents, recent comments. And yeah, so to write a new post on your blog, what you just simply need to do is come to posts, add new posts, and you can publish your article on your blog. Now, this is to be done right after you've set up every other pages that you need, which is you only do this after you set up your lead pages, your pre-sale article, and your sales pages. Then you can start to work on this. After you've done all those important ones, then you can start to put in a lot of time on your newsletter platform. So on your blog article, then just put in test, and let me just take a random article and posts. Document. Let's just I'm looking for an article to use. Okay, let me use this one. So I already have an article on fertility here. So I'll just copy and paste it so that I can just get it done with. So this is just a random article. I just wanted to just add it so that you can see how it all looks like. So publish and publish. Then come to view posts. So once you come to view posts, then you can see, now look at the article, the one major thing, then they are reading and they can read down. So another thing you want to do is remember the category. The category is what? Newsletter. So you're putting it under newsletter. Then you can update. Then one last thing we need to do before I end it in this section, what you have to do, just play around with this. I'm sure you will definitely get it and start doing great things with it. So what you can do is, another thing you need to do is under your settings, you want to come to permalinks. And right under your permalinks, you want to bring it down to custom structure and save. So that will help you take away this and make it look much better. So, so you can see here the one major Thursday time and everything here, and everything is going on. So you can see. So if I come in here, nice article. I'm just doing it for the purpose of the new beginners that needs to be taken with extra care. So that's why I'm doing all of these things and spending time with this section. But that's just it as you get to that. So what you simply want to do is you want to play around it. Practice makes perfect. So you can come around to appearance, flexibility, 3-theme options, and start to look at what you can, the different sections here, and be testing them out, on them, off them, change color, do what you want to do. Now, this might sound a bit complex. Now, if you don't want to do complex, if you just want to do something basic, then just switch over to sparkling, because sparkling is also very easy to use. So if I come to activate, so if I come to activate, come to websites. So this sparkling, this is how it looks like. So you can see home newsletter. So if you know that you prefer this, fine, go with this, whichever one that is okay by you. This will be your newsletter platform that you'll be using to put in articles that you can be directing your subscribers to, which will now start to add links that go straight to your online course. So that's it for this video. I hope you've been able to learn a lot, and I expect to see you have your own newsletter platform done.